Welcome to TheAutoVerse, your ultimate source for in-depth car reviews and insights into both classic and modern vehicles. In today's episode, we're diving into the iconic Citroën DS Pallas, a true masterpiece from the golden era of muscle cars, revered for its innovation, design, and unmistakable charm. The Citroën DS Pallas, introduced in the 1960s, still captivates car enthusiasts worldwide with its futuristic and elegant styling. Even today, its aerodynamic design stands out, featuring a streamlined body, distinctive floating roofline, and the signature shark-like front end with enclosed headlights. The headlights themselves were revolutionary, equipped with a swiveling mechanism that adjusted with the steering to provide optimal illumination around corners, a groundbreaking feature at the time. The Pallas trim elevated the DS model's luxurious appeal, with additional chrome accents and a refined finish that oozed sophistication. Under the hood, the Citroën DS Pallas boasted a 2.1-liter inline-4 engine. It produced around 109 horsepower, a modest figure by modern standards, but it was more than adequate for the car's era. What made the DS truly extraordinary was its advanced engineering, specifically the hydropneumatic self-leveling suspension system, that provided an incredibly smooth ride and superb handling. This system could automatically adjust the car's height to suit various driving conditions, making it feel as if the vehicle was gliding over the road. The power steering and semi-automatic gearbox further enhanced the driving experience, adding to the car's reputation as one of the most technologically advanced vehicles of its time. Inside the DS Pallas, the luxury and comfort were unparalleled. The spacious cabin featured plush leather seats and high-quality materials, with ergonomically designed controls to enhance the driver's comfort. The unique single-spoke steering wheel and minimalist dashboard layout were ahead of their time, emphasizing simplicity and ease of use. Sound insulation was improved in the Pallas version, providing a quieter and more serene ride. Citroën paid great attention to detail, and every aspect of the interior was designed to offer a premium feel, making long journeys a delight. As for the current price, the Citroën DS Pallas has become a valuable collector's item. Prices vary significantly based on condition, but a well-preserved model can range from $40,000 to $100,000 or more at auctions. Its classic status and historical importance in automotive design contribute to its enduring value. Thank you for tuning in to the AutoVerse. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more features on classic and modern cars. We'll catch you in the next video.